Okay, this is our Bead Blast cabinet. Just taking out the glass, gonna do some maintenance on that, gonna do some other maintenance. But this is wire mesh here, and it's just pieces that we've had because we kind of work in the industry, and we just kind of laid it out. Some of it's just not. It's been here for years, so it's getting beat up and stuff. So I got something new from Home Depot. We'll see how it works out. After about 15 minutes, this is what we have. So I picked up this sheet of aluminum, perforated aluminum out of Home Depot. Cut it to fit. I think it's going to be a lot better for me. I'll get a little tray, put little parts in, take them in and out that way. But I think this is a much smoother surface and will work much better for me here. Thanks for watching.